So in this part of session we are going to discuss about composite transform. Actually we are going to cover the programming part of the composite transform. In previous part we have already discussed about what composite transform is. ठीक है, तो कंपोजिट ट्रांसफॉर्म हम ऑलरेडी समझ चुके हैं कि इसके अंदर अगर दो तरीके की ट्रांसफॉर्म अगर एक साथ होती हैं तो उसके लिए हम कंपोजिट ट्रांसफॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, वी गो फॉर डबल मल्टीप्लिकेशन or what we do is we transform it for first time with some transform, then we transform it by some other transform, and in this way we transform the whole image. So let's have a look at the program side. So here I am going to create a translation matrix, and in this translation matrix what I am looking for is, if you press X, then it will work out for translation in X axis, case small x. Okay, here I am putting translation का 0,3 0,0 as 1. Then we'll define all the 9 elements here. Translation का 0,1 is 0. Then translation का 0,2 is 0 again. Now come back to the next three parts. So here you find first element is going to be 0 and second element is going to be 1, and here x is 1. Okay, now here I want to increment x and I don't want to increment y. That's why I'm putting here 0. Okay, and the last term is 1 as usual. Okay, in case of capital X, just wait for a moment. Here we want to multiply also. Means what I am looking for is I am just multiplying and translating the object. So x अगर आप प्रेस करते हैं तो आपको x में शिफ्ट दिखेगी. ठीक है, this instead of rotation here it is translation, and instead of, and that's okay. And here finally you have to write break. Okay, just execute it first to check whether the things are going right or not. So go to build, then go to execute, press yes, and you can find that it is asking for the point. So I am taking again the previous triangle, that is 10, 10 to 50, 50, then 10, 50. Okay, and I am pressing small x on this screen. Okay, check it for what actually is happening. Now let's take another one, case y. I'm taking case capital X, and here what I'm doing is I'm translating again, but in this time what I'm going to do is I'm putting tx as -1, means I'm translating it towards negative side. Okay, and instead of translating it for one point, I'm just changing here, I'm putting here 10, so that ट्रांसलेशन हो तो पता भी चले कि ट्रांसलेशन हुई है. ठीक है, जैसे एग्जीक्यूट. टेन कॉमा 10 50 comma 50 and 10 comma 50. Okay, I have pressed small x. I am going to press a small x here. You can see that it is shifting towards right side. In the same way, I had pressed capital X here. Sorry, it's not responding when I am pressing it again and again, so we have to check it out. But for first translation it is okay. 10 comma 10, then 50 comma 50 comma, and then 10 comma 50. Our triangle, just press here capital X. For capital X you can see that it is coming towards left side. So left side आ रहा है, that means the translation is going correctly. Okay, now rotation हमारा वैसे ही है. So what we have done is I have rotated it, I have shifted it towards left side, and then you can shift it towards right side. Okay, it's not working for multiple translations, but you can understand that how actually it works. ठीक है, for first translation it is working, it goes towards left side, then you press again R, then it rotates. So इस तरीके से हम इसमें कंपोजिट ट्रांसफॉर्म्स इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, now there is one small activity, there are two small activities for you. You have to first write a program to create a rotation about an arbitrary point. ठीक है, किसी arbitrary point के about rotation के लिए आपको प्रोग्राम लिखना है, और दूसरा आपको एनलिस्ट करना है उन सभी केसेस को जहाँ पे हम कंपोजिट ट्रांसफॉर्म इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जहाँ कहीं भी लगता है कि हाँ हम यहाँ पे ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं और वहाँ पे अगर कंपोजिट ट्रांसफॉर्म इस्तेमाल हो सकता है, तो यू हैव टू लिस्ट डाउन ऑल दोज एक्टिविटीज़. That's all for this session. Thank you.